Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Raj and I'm excited to share my CS433 final project, that is like LinkedIn data jobs analysis. So in this project I analyzed real job postings from LinkedIn for data related job roles like data analyst, data scientist and data engineers. And I got this project from Kaggle as it mentioned in uh, the final project requirements. Okay, so the goal of this project was to gain insights into the current job market by analyzing LinkedIn job postings. I focus on finding trends in job roles, locations, hiring companies, job types and required skills. And for this I use Python along with different libraries like pandas, matplot, matplotlib, Seaborn, and applied natural language processing with TF IDF to extract skills from job descriptions. That's what I did um, to like what you said, like to make it happen. This project. Okay, so now in this whole presentation, I gonna explain what it did and how I did, like, and I gonna explain each and every term. So the first term is dataset instruction. Dataset. So I'm gonna introduce what is dataset. So dataset was scrapped from LinkedIn, and like what kind of dataset I use in this project. So I was scrapped from this dataset from LinkedIn, and this contains like thousands of job postings. Each records includes the job title, companies, locations, descriptions, work type, employment type, and date posted. It's very ideal for data analysis, because it reflects real world hiring demands and trends. So to begin the project, I clean the data set by removing unnecessary forms, unnecessary columns, and filling and then filling the missing values in key fields like work type and employment types, those things. So the first thing I did, like I just cleaned the data and prepared it by removing unnecessary columns and fillings. And I also pass the data and clean the job description. Like I pass the data and then clean the job description using regular expression to prepare NLP based skill extraction, as you know. So I just pass the data and then clean the job description using regular NLPs. And then after that, after cleaning the data, when I done with the cleaning, I visualize the top job titles. Then after that I just visualize the top job titles that you're gonna see in my project. You will see when you open that after cleaning the data, I visualize the job top job titles. Data analyst and data scientist were the most common in the things. Data analyst and data scientist were the most common things, showing a high demand of analytics roles. Then I analyzed the top hiring companies. After this, after seeing the top job titles, I'll go and I then analyze. I go and analyze the top hiring companies, and I found out that Meta, Pinterest, and Coinbase were among top recruiters for data positions. Yeah, Meta and Pinterest and Coinbase, those are the top recruiters for data positions. Next, after that, next I look at job location, sorry. So after analyzing all those things like job titles, hiring companies, after cleaning and everything, I just go and say like location based analysis. So I gonna, like, after that I go and look for like top job locations where these openings are happen, and I found out that cities like New York, San Francisco, and Seattle had the most job posting. And like those are like obvious because those are the big cities and they have like big MNC companies and a lot of companies. So yeah, as I said, like this aligns with the expectation because these are the major tech hubs, and also interesting to see growing data job opportunities in cities like Austin and Toronto. Yeah, it's interesting that Austin and Toronto also have like increasing. They also provide job postings in data fields. After these, I analyze how job postings change over time. Yeah, so this is interesting, like to see like how the job postings change over time. And I noticed that there was a significant spike in April 2025, and I noticed that there is a significant spike, like the job just like grows in April 2025, possibly I think due to increased hiring after the first quarter or seasonal hiring trends. Yeah, due to increase hiring after the first quarters, they just increase the hiring. That's why I see a significant spike in April 2025, and this helps so how hiring demands fluctuates monthly. Yeah, and this shows like how the demands fluctuates in like tech companies. And also these data sets also include job modes like remote, on-sites, and hybrid. Like, and here you find like over 60% of jobs were remote, indicating a strong shift towards flexible work. And I think it happens after COVID. In employment type, full-time roles demand dominated. Yeah, of course, like full-times dominated, followed by contract positions, and then after that contract position comes. After that, to extract in-demand skills, I applied TF-IDF to the job description. A cloud a word cloud visualization showed that Python, SQL, and machine learning were the most frequent keywords. Okay, yeah, I use this to just find out the frequent keywords, and I find out that Python, SQL, and machine learning is the most frequent keywords nowadays. This provides clear guidance on the technical skills employers seeking for. This gives a clear vision that employers are looking more and more about Python, SQL, and machine learning nowadays. Okay, so what are my key takeaways from this, like whole things from the final project and everything what I did here, what so I found out that data roles are high in demands. After doing all this, I found out that data roles are high in demand, especially remote positions. Okay, yeah, the remote position one. Big tech companies lead hiring, and skills like Python and SQLs are consistently required. And I found out like big techs, the MNCs, the Meta, the Google, the Microsofts, and those companies are like lead in these things in jobs, and they want the skills like Python, SQL, and constantly required in those things. And this whole things will help job seekers target their resume and learning paths. I think these whole things will help job seekers to target their resume and then target the what they need to learn and what they need to do accordingly. And for me, this project helped me apply data analysis techniques in real world context. I practice data cleaning, visualization, natural language processing. In future, I'd love to expand this project into career guidance app using AI. And thank you all for that. And I'm only one member in this group, so I think you find out that the project is not that big, but for me it's like, as the only one member in the group, it's a big thing to do. And yeah, that's what like and I think it's unique and different from any other thing provide whatever you find. And I use a lot of different techniques to find this. And that's all. Thank you very much.